There's a book here by BBT called Shlokamrita. You ever heard of this book? You have that one? Page 404. 404. This incorrectly, it says it's from Chaitanya Manjusha. Well, yeah, it is from Chaitanya Manjusha. But the author, that's a commentary on Srimad Bhagavatam, but it's by Srinath Chakravarti. In the Narayana Shloka book, he also has this verse, but he says this verse is by Vishwanath Chakravarti, but it's wrong. There's a quote on, excuse me, it's a tika on Srimad Bhagavatam. It's right here, 404. Aradhya Bhagavan Brajeshatanyos Tadhama Vrindavanam Brahmya Kishirupasana Brajabadu Vargena Kalpita. Vargena. Varg, Varg means the group. How all the gopis worship Krishna. Oh, you're saying that that's Gaudiya Sampradaya, that's the Gaudiya Siddhanta, that's our way of sadhana, and that's our goal of life. Why you're just saying that? What's your praman? Then the next line he says, this is my proof, this is my source of my teachings, this is a proof behind what I'm saying. Oh. So you may hear this description, Ramya Kachirupasana, and someone saying that Srinath Chakravarti Pad is saying this is the essence of Krishna Bhakti Bhajan, this is the essence of Gaudiya Sampradaya, this is the essence of our sadhana and our sadhya, our practices and our goal. So you said that is to worship Krishna Vrindavan like the gopis, Radharani, Lalita, Manjari, Rupa Manjari, etc. And Madhurya Rati and Parakiya Bhav, amorous, unmarried love. What's the proof? Srimad Bhagavatam Pramanam. The word Pramana means proof. Srinath said, the proof of my statement, I just said this, my proof is this. Srimad Bhagavatam Pramanam Amalam. Amalam means totally pavitram, totally pure, no contamination, nothing wrong. Prema Pumarta Mahan. And not only that, but this prema, this gopi prema, this Madhurya prem, is a maha art. Art means the desirable object. Art, dharm, art, kam moksha. So Artha Mahan is the greatest possible objective of the human being. And this is just some Thakur's, some sadhu's idea, some Brahman's idea. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Matami Idam Tatrara Natparaha.